जी हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
Question number 12 we have to discuss, right?
Yeah.
So now the question is, the line L has equation 3x minus y is equals to and the point P has a coordinates 8, 3. Now first we find the equation of L2, line L2, which passes through P and perpendicular to L1. Look at that. Here some formulas or some hints will be given. The hint number 1, I gave you this one formula sheet. You can see there. If you want to find out any equation of the straight line which is passing through alpha beta and perpendicular to a straight line Lx plus my plus n equal to 0, it means if you want to find any straight line which is perpendicular to the given straight line, this can also be written as 3x minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. This one, if I want to compare with another line like this, Lx plus my plus n is equal to 0, then easily we can notice here our L value is 3, our m value is minus 1, our n value is also minus 1. And the point which is passing through, that is alpha beta, that is given in our question is 8, 3.
$205 per share.
Okay. So this is taken as 8, 3. Simply substitute all these information and you will get your answer easily. So required perpendicular line is, now how is the format of this line? M into x minus alpha minus L into y minus beta is equals to 0. So just plug in the values. So what happened is to plug in. Plug in the values. M is you see m is minus 1 into x minus alpha is 8. L value is 3. I minus beta is 3 is equal to 0. So your required answer is minus x. If you multiply with minus, it's a plus 8 minus 3y. And here minus into minus plus. This is 3, 3 and 9 is equal to 0. If you want to write in order, say x term first, then y term, then 8 plus 9 is 17 is equal to 0. Or one more possibility, if you can multiply with minus sign, get your answer x plus 3y. Minus 17, if you bring that side, becomes plus 17. That's the answer. If it is L1, this is represented with L1. Now this is L2. It is our second bit for it. First bit answer. First bit. Equation of L2 passing through P. Got it?
Yeah.
Second one, the coordinate of the point Q where L1 and L2 are intersecting. It means we have to solve L1 and L2. Okay? We have to solve L1 and L2 to get the coordinate of Q. So simply solve it, the equations. Your L1 is, what is that? L1 x plus 3x minus y is equals to 1 and x plus 3y is equal to 17. And there are so many methods are available to solve this one. You can use any method or you can use a calculator. You'll get the value of Q easily. Can you tell me what is the answer you got?
I'll try.
This is 2 comma 5. If you want, I can show you the all working. Otherwise, simply solve this 2. You can make it either x balance or y balance and solve it, get it the value of q, which is the answer of the second bit. Now at the third bit, it is asking to find out the length of PQ. Already we know that P value is given in our question, that is 8 comma 3, and Q value is 2 comma 5. So to find out length, already this formula also given in the formula sheet. Actually, the coordinates are PQ of given. Simply we should substitute in this formula. This one here. X coordinate from the second x2 minus x1 whole square. Very famous formula to find out the length between any 2 points. Considering this one as x1, this one is y1, this is the x2 and this is x2 value is, if you put it, we plug in the values here, get it. This is under the root of x2 is 2 minus 8 whole square plus y2 is 5 minus 3 whole square. 5 minus 3 it is. So this is 2 minus 6 is minus 6. If you square it, we get it 36. 5 minus 3, 2 square it becomes 4. It's a root of 40. Root of 40 is the length of PQ. Answer of the third bit. Fourth bit. Write down the equation of the circle that has P as the center and L1 as a tangent. Now, just imagine one figure here.
Stock tickers run hours behind. Unable to handle the load. Stock market.
Suppose it is a circle. Okay. P is the center here. Suppose that P is the center. Center value is 8 comma 3. And line L1 is a tangent. Suppose this is your tangent. But line L1 is a tangent. So we need to find out what do we have to find out here in this. Write down the equation of circle. Question circle means point number 3. Equation of circle with center. This is center. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to radius square. Suppose somewhere here q is available. That distance, if you calculate, that is becomes the radius, which is given already root 40. And considering this one is h and this one is k, you can get the equation of circle. Tell me now what x minus h is 8 whole square plus y minus k is 3 whole square is equals to radius square. Radius is 40. Square it, root and square cancel, answer is 40. That's it. And the last one is equation of other end, other line that is tangent to the circle and parallel to L1. So we draw one more figure to get this concept, and I think I should go for the next page for this. One more circle is I'm considering. Okay.
One of the most.
What it is given. Equation of the other line of the circle where parallel to L1. So we assume that the figure will be like that. Suppose this is L1. I want to find out another equation which is parallel to L1. That it is possible. Okay, no? Suppose if it is L1, this is L1. I want to find out this equation of the line which is parallel to L1. And the equation of other line that is tangent to the circle and parallel to L1. So see already here, suppose it is a center 8, 3. Suppose this is a Q value, how much it is 2, 5. Now I can find out this tangent, this point. Suppose this is R. Now if you see the figure, can we say P is the midpoint of R cube? So midpoint formula we can use it. X1 plus X2 by 2, comma Y1 plus Y2 by 2. We don't know the coordinates of R. Let me take, what do you take? AB. Capital A, comma capital B will be the coordinates of R. P value is 8, 3 is equal to X1 will be considering as this one, X1, Y1, and this is X2, Y2. Just plug in this formula. You get A plus 2 by 2, comma B plus 5 by 2. And then equating means you get 8 is equals to A plus 2 by 2. And if you cross multiply 8 to the 16 is equals to A plus 2. Even 2 also we can take this side. That is 16 minus 2 is 14. 16 minus 2 is 14. This is your A value. This is A value is 14. Similarly, another quadrant, if you equate, B plus 5 by 2 is equals to 3. And then cross multiply. You get B is equals to 3 to the 6. If we even 5 also we bring that side, we get B is equals to 1. Clearly, we get the coordinates of that point R, that is 14, 1. Now I can find out the equation of this particular line which is passing through 14, 1 and parallel to L1. We can go to the point number 6 here. So not 6, 5. I can get, I won't look at that figure. That expected figure will be as up. This one. One line is that, this one. I want to find out another line which is passing through this point particularly, R, passing through R and parallel to L1. So required answer will be required parallel line is only constant will be different. So what type of difference? L1 already we know that 3x minus y is equal to 1. So I am taking some different constant plus k I am taking. This point we have to put here to get the value of k. This is 14, 3 is a 42. 42 minus 1 is 40, so that k value is 40. Simply we put this k value 40 here. You will get the parallel line which is parallel to L1. So your answer is 3x minus y is equal to 40. 41 actually, not 40, 41.
One more chance.
This is 41. So this is completed your question number.
Yeah, last bit I didn't understand.
Last bit, okay. I will show you a small concept for this one. I think you are little weak in coordinate geometry. देखिए यहाँ पर अच्छे से एक equation है. Okay. Here we have one more equation. Can we say these two are parallel?
Yeah.
Okay. First line equation we know already.
Yeah.
We know this one.
Yeah.
This one is what? 3x
Minus y.
is equals to 1.
1. Yeah.
If you want to find out gradient, is it possible? What is gradient?
Yeah. The gradient will be 3x for the other one.
First one.
Oh.
What's the formula to find out gradient from the straight line?
I
Minus
don't
of x
remember.
coefficient. Minus x
equals
coefficient. by y coefficient. It means we get it m2 value. This minus minus cancel 3. Two lines are parallel. When we say they are parallel, if their gradient are same.
Yeah.
Okay. So the gradient of m1 is 3. So then we say that the gradient of required line is also 3. And we know that the second line is passing through 14, 1. Understand? I can use
Yeah.
this formula also. You remember this
Yeah.
formula? Point.
Yeah.
Just plug in the values. Y1 is 14. No, 14 itself. 1 comma y1. Yeah, y1 is 1. Gradient is 3. X1 is 14. Just simplify this one. Y minus 1 is equals to 3x minus 42. This bring that side. Y is equals to 3x minus 42 minus 2 minus 41. These two are same actually. Same, no? Minus y, if you take this side, becomes plus y.
Yeah.
So like that also we can find out our option. Another way. Any two lines are mathematically parallel if they are differ by constant only. That constant, if you find out, you will get the required line. That's it. And the hint of finding that constant is two lines are parallel if their gradients are same. Gradients of the first line is called m1. Gradient of the second line is m2. Perpendicular में m1 into m2 is equal to -1. This is
Yeah.
all about coordinate geometry.
So, what is this whole topic called as?
Coordinate geometry.
This question is only coordinate geometry?
Yes. Because we are talking about x1, y1, x2, y2, slope, gradient, distance, length. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9 plus 3, 12 marks question it is.
Okay.
Okay, now question number 13, if you see the cost of a packet of buns in a local supermarket, how much it is? X price is expense, and the cost of a loaf of bread is 75. Okay, 75 x plus 75. Write down an expression for the number of packets of buns that can be bought for $5.40. An expression for the number of, what do you call it is? Don't know. This is something different. Okay, let me solve it mathematically. We can solve. So instead of taking 5.40, we'll get our answer will be comes under decimal. So what I am doing, I'll be just taking to the round of this one. Instead of considering 5.40, I will be considering this one as 540. 540 for this pence. And 540 the cost for bread. Bread is x plus 75. Instead of writing 5.40, I am considering as 540. You can take 5.40 also, but while simplifying now, you will get some confusion here, decimal value. That's what we'll take a round of. Now, what do you see? The question continues. The number of packets of buns brought to be 5.40 is 5 more than. This is for pens and this is for breads. So 5 more than means simply what to do? 540 divided by x is equals to 540 divided by x plus 75. It's 5 more than. Then just simply add it 5. Now what you need to consider here is, while I am solving this two fractions, to get our answer here in our question, it is given to show that the answer is also there. Using this information to show the answer. I am simplifying, see. Show that all workings. It's for 5 months. So let me simplify. 540 divided by x is equals to, if you take the LCM, we'll get your LCM is x plus 75 here. So then 540 must be as it is, plus 5 times x plus 75. This is 540 divided by x. This is equal to, this is numerator is 540 plus 5 into x, 5x plus 75, 5 is a 375. 75, 5 is a 375 divided by x plus 75. Now cross multiply. Before that, one more step I can do it. 540 divided by x is equals to 540 plus 375 will give you 915 plus 5x. If you know any other method also, you can apply. Only we have to solve it and get this answer. Answer is given in the question paper. It is divisible by 5. So 5, if you cancel it, you will get 1, 8, 3. Yeah, 5 cancel. If you cancel it, this one with 5 will get 1, 0, 8. So then 108 divided by x is equals to 183 plus x by 170, x plus 7. Cross multiplying these values, x plus 75 multiply with 108 and x should multiply with 83, 183 plus x. And simplifying, it's a 108x plus 108 multiply by 75, you will get it 8100. This is 183x plus x into x will give you x square. So better we bring these two values that side. Write down in order, x square as it is plus 183 as it is, and 108 will come this side, becomes negative, and 8100 also negative. And then equating to 0, x square as it is, and if you bring and subtract, you'll get 75 exactly, which is our required answer, minus 8100. See, this one we have to show. Second bit, using this information to part 1, derive the equation in x and show that simplify to this. We got it. In the third bit, it is asking solve this equation to get the value of x. So solve it. So you have a calculator, then you will get x value is 61 part answer. Another one, x is negative, but negative I'm not considering because that whatever the product, negative product is not possible. And x plus 75 means 60 plus 75, which is equals to 135. So it means the cost of that pens is 60 dollar, and so not 60, 540 by 60 is $9. Similarly, the cost of that buns is bread is 135. That's required answer. That's it. This is also for 5 months, only simplification. Now next, very important question. This is also, it is a calculus question.
Okay, 1 second, sir. 1 second. I just need to see the question again.
14th one.
Yeah.
See the question. The equation of the curve is given here.
Yeah, this question go a bit slowly, sir.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah.
It is x cube. Going speed?
Yeah. So x cubed plus ax squared.
No, for the previous problem.
Yeah, that was fine.
Okay. So this is the curve equation given. Look at that. The points P and Q lie on the curve. If you see the figure also, P and Q lie on the curve.
Mm.
Understand? Now, first
Yeah.
bit. Form two equations in A and B. Solve this equation to show that A is 3 and B is -2. Okay, na?
How's 8 minutes, sir? 1 minute.
Yes.
A is 3 is B is -2. Yeah.
So what I am doing, first this point P,
Yeah.
we should substitute in this curve because this point P lies on this curve. Okay?
Mhm.
In place of X and Y, we can put. So what happened here is 7 is equal to -3 to the power of 3.
So in
Plus,
this question, what are we trying to find out actually?
we are going to show there are 3 bits here. First of all, we are going to show if the points P and Q lies on the curve,
Okay.
then the value of A and B we are finding.
Okay, sir.
The first bit. Second bit, find the midpoint R. Look at the figure.
Mm.
R is the midpoint of PQ of the
Mm-hmm.
PQ, and we are going to show R is also lies on the curve.
Okay, okay.
Okay, and after that I'll tell you. First, let me finish this work.
So what is the condition that if it has to lie on the curve, what is the condition for
That
it? Like
line
what's
that
the
that
rule?
R should satisfy this equation,
R should satisfy with what? Sorry?
this curve. If I want to say any point lies on this line means that
Mm.
point should satisfy this line.
Okay. And how will it do that?
If you put that point, you will get your answer is 0 is equal to 0. Both sides will be equal. I'll show you, don't worry.
Okay.
I'll show you, don't worry. Let me do it all the working slowly.
Okay.
A as it is, our
Mm-hmm.
negative x value is -3 whole square plus b into -3 plus 1. So what happened, you see, 7 is equals to, what happened here, it is -27. This is -3 whole square is 9a. This is -3b. It's a plus 1. So then 7 is equals to -27 plus 1 is becomes -26 plus 9a minus 3b. So if you bring -27 that side, 7 plus 26, you'll get it 33. 33 is equals to 9a minus 3b. Now if you notice, it is divisible by 3. Divisible by 3 means 3 ones are, 3 threes are, 3 elevens are. So I'm getting one relation between a and b is 3a minus b is equals to 11. Any doubt up to here?
No.
The same Q point we need to substitute here for the same curve. That work I am doing now.
Mm.
Same curve, x cube plus ax square plus bx plus 1. So our Q is point Q is 1, 3. This point again in place of x and y we put here 3 is equals to, if a 1 in place of x, if you put 1 we'll get 1 only, we'll get a here, we get b here, and here 1 again. So 1 plus 1 is 2 if you bring that side. 3 minus 1 is 3 minus 2 is 1. So a plus b is equals to 1. Got this relation?
Yeah.
We are going to solve this equation number 1 and equation number 2 to get the values of a and b. And we have to show that a is 3 and b is -2. Look at that. 3a minus b is equals to 11. A plus b is equals to 1. So now look at these two are cancelled. 3a minus a is 2a. is equals to 10. So 2 ones are 5s are. A is 5. A is something 3, 11. A plus B, 3 minus 2 is 1. A is 3. 2, 12. Here we have the mistake. It's a 12. 12. 2 ones are, but still not pretty. 3A minus B is equals to 11. A plus B is equals to 1. 3, oh, sorry. 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 plus A is 4A. 11 plus 1 is 12. So now we have proved that A value is 3. Right? Now to prove that A is 3, we proved already A is 3. And similarly, if you put in this relation, the value of A is 3, you can easily get the value of B. That is how much? Minus 2 now?
Yeah.
So after substituting this A and B, how our curve will become? Look at that. Our curve clearly becomes y is equals to x cube plus A value is 3, 3x square, B value is negative 2 into x and plus 1. This is our curve. Now we can move on to the, you understand this first bit?
No, just 1 second, sir. Something happened to my phone. Yeah, I lost you for a second.
Anyhow, we have to finish this question number 14 today only.
Yeah, okay.
Is this point up to here clear?
Yeah.
So now we got the curve clearly. Second bit is asking the midpoint R of the line PQ so that R lies on this curve. Okay, let me find out first of all R value. Look at the figure. Can we say that R is the midpoint of PQ?
Yeah.
What's the formula to get the midpoint? This is a
y2 minus y1. No. Oh no.
no, that's now x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. P is minus 3, 7, which is taken as x1, y1, and Q is 1, 3, which is taken as x2, y2. So just plug in here in this, you will get the value of R. x1 plus x2 by 2 minus 3 plus 1 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is, if you simplify, minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2 divided by 2 is nothing but minus 1 here. 7 plus 3, 10 by 2 is 5. This is now R value. We have to show that R lies on this curve, means R should satisfy this curve. Let us again, in place of x and y, if I am substituting, what
Which
happens?
curve? Sorry.
Yeah, this curve. What we obtained just now. R
No,
should
sorry.
satisfy this curve.
Okay.
This curve.
All right.
Okay, so let us put
Okay.
y value is 5 is equals to minus 1 whole to the power of 3 plus 3 into minus 1 whole square minus 2 into minus 1 plus 1. So see here, 5 is equals to, it is negative 1 only after multiplying 3 times, plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1 cancel. 5 is equal to 5 means definitely R lies on the curve. Therefore, R lies on curve. On the curve. Satisfy hona, equal R. Okay. So this is the answer of the second bit. I think for the third bit, we have to end up this meeting and you have to join again. Anyhow, today we have to finish this one.
Yeah, that's fine, sir. Let's finish it. That's it.
So just we'll end up the meeting now because
Yeah.
only 3 minutes are left. 3 minutes में ये नहीं कर सकते अपन. better to
अच्छा
join one
ठीक
more time. Today only,
ओके सर
now only, I'll tell you.
ओके
Then we have to complete anyhow this paper.
ओके ओके सर थैंक यू